It's another quick tip day. I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to replace your own screens so you don't have to take them to Ace Hardware and spend $20 plus on each one. So the first thing you'll notice, you have holes in your screen. So you want to remove your screen. You're going to want to work on a flat surface. And right here in the corner is where the seam is for the rubber strip that holds the screen in. You're going to go to Home Depot and buy a roll of screen. If it's going to be in the sun, you want to go with a darker screen, but you want them all to match on the side of the house. For best results, you're going to want to buy a tool like this at Home Depot, and it can be used to push the screen into the slot. So lay your screen on a flat surface. Once you get it out, you should be able to pry it out with a screwdriver. There's a rubber seal that goes all the way around the screen that holds it in, and it starts right here in this corner. So we're going to pull that out. Tear the rubber. If you tear the rubber while you're pulling it out, you can buy a new roll at Home Depot. Now take your screen material, overhang it about 1 inch on the side of the screen. You'll need a full piece. You can't seam it together. Overlap it and then cut it. So now you got your new screen in. It's all nice and tight when you pushed it in. Now just trim around the edges with your razor knife. It's all finished.